how to browse Buffalo Wild Wings menu by category. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply browse the menu of Buffalo Wild Wings by category. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your browser, open up the Wild Wings website, and then you can see menu option right at the top of the home page. Once you tap on it, you can scroll down and then you can see all the categories. So if you want wings, then you can go to the wings category, or if you want burger, then you can go to the burgers category. You can just tap on it and you can view all the items here. So there you go. It's as simple as that. Even extras and dips are separated by categories. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.